Hello friends, so today we are going to be trying to dye our eyebrows with hair dye. This might or might not be a disaster, I do not know. We may find a holy grail, we don't know. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, I decided to go in with a super cheap hair brand first. This is the Glory Black Henna. Don't stress, we will try all the other brands as well for my channel. This is a Glory Black Henna, makes coloring easy, makes unique hair dye, and spreads quickly, spread evenly to your roots, to your hair, and it leaves a shine, soft, fragrant, and delightful management type of hair. So I don't even know what's the mixture. It doesn't say. Like normally it will give you directions or what to do, what not to do, but I just decided to go in with the super inexpensive one, and so happened I picked up this one, and let's try. So this is what's inside. There's a little booklet. This is the hair dye itself. My god, this is already stained. This is already stained. Okay, so the direction says put a required quantity of Glory Henna in a bowl and add 30 milliliters to 40 milliliters water as required to make a paste. Apply with a brush or a thin comb from the root parting to the small branches so that no hair remains untinted. Apply repeatedly to the borders of the hair. Do not let the paste remain unused for too long. But it doesn't say how long you should keep this on for. Oh, there is it. It says for the best results must remain on hair for a minimum of 30 minutes. So I'm actually going to be looking like Batman for a good few minutes. So anyway guys, let's just hop in. So guys, here I have the henna. I'm just going to try and put it all the way down. It's like Maggi noodles. So right here, I'm just going to cut it. Okay, so I just took out so much from it. Here I have a cup full of water, but I do not want to chance and pour because I know I'm gonna mess it up. So I just dip the brush into the water. Okay, so I doubt I'm going to be needing any more. So that's how much I actually mixed. Okay, let's just take in one. Ooh, it's blackening. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to put on any Vaseline or anything because my makeup is already done, and then I decided to try this out. Okay, so now for the application. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm taking one for the team. So in order for all of this not to go onto my own hair, I'm just going to pop my bad boys at the back. And okay, that was a fail. Okay. So guys, I'm a little skeptical, so what I'm going to do is just neaten this up. Okay, so okay, one down and one more to go. Okay, we're gonna leave this for half an hour and then I'm going to be back. Okay, I think I should neaten this one up, otherwise we're going to have two that don't look the same. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for half an hour and let's see what actually happens.
Much later.
So guys, it's been a little over half an hour right now and I'm scared because I don't want my eyebrows to fall off. So here I have a cloth and I'm just going to dip into the water. Hopefully I still have eyebrows by then. So I have my wet cloth right here. So let's have a look at it now with the final sweep. I think because my brows is black, we don't really see much of a difference. But I expected it to stain the skin a little. Oh, she said no. So let's just try out the other side because I expected it to look exactly like how I left it. So on the side, right here. This looks better in the side. So now with my brow gel, I'm just going to lift it up. It's actually better than what it was. It looks prettier and more full, but I think it stained this area, but it stained this one more than that one. So guys, this is what it actually turned out like. Am I impressed? No. Do I think I could get better results from another brand? Yes. So that's why we're going to go on and tackle on another brand, maybe during the course of the week, so you guys can see whether this actually works. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.